What's going on, everybody? This is your man Jamar, coming today with another video on how I do music cover art for artists that need it for their music. So without any further ado, we're going to hop over to Affinity Photo today, and I'm going to show you how I do this inside of Affinity Photo. Alright, so here is the finished product on screen, and this is what we're going to duplicate today. So I already have a blank document open, so let's go ahead and hop over to the blank photo that I have. And what we're going to do first, I already made one, but we are going to basically make another layer so we can do the texture that I did on top of this photo. So what you want to do first, you want to click your paintbrush tool, and then you want to go over to your brushes palette, and you want to go to textures. Now you can use any texture that you want, but this is one that I made myself. So let's go over here next, and I'm going to change this to about 4,000 pixels width, and I'm going to change this to 50 on the opacity. And as you see, that kind of gives you a nice even distress look that you can put on top of it. So I'm just going to click that and click off. And as you see, it's a little bit, you know, too white, so we're just going to take the opacity down to about 50, and that gives you the correct level of distress that you want. So now that we're done with that, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our text tool, and the text that I'm using today is called Great Fighter. You can get this off of thefont.com. I'll have that linked at the bottom, and we're just going to type out the artist's name, which is Kendrosis, and then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate that. And I'm going to go ahead and move this down for right now. And then I'm just going to scale this up. Hit command, not command, but control. And you just want to scale it out. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go to the arrangements. And then I want to center this to the art canvas. So now, we've got that done. We got the artist name done. Now we want to go over here and change this to the song title, and that's going off the page a little bit, but that's okay. And we're not going to use the same text for this one, so we're going to highlight all this, and then I'm going to go up here to what's called Broken Glass, and this is also another font that you can get on thefont.com. I have that linked as well, and you just want to get that right. So you want to click both of them, and then you want to center everything. Just makes everything look so much cleaner whenever you center everything up. So we're almost done. Now, since this song has specific lyrics in it, we do want to put the Parental Advisory on there. So we're going to click off from the other document that I had, and I just want to rescale this. I like that. Do this. There we go. Scale it up just a little bit. Probably go a little bit smaller. And to make everything align right, we're just going to align that to the bottom. And there you have it. That's pretty much it for the for this art. It's pretty simple to do. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and drag the Parental Advisory to the top. That way it doesn't get distorted as well, because we just want the distortion on the actual picture itself. We don't want that to carry over. So that is pretty much it. Real simple tutorial on how you can do a music cover art. And if you got any questions, just comment below. I appreciate everybody watching today, and I will see you guys later.